So I've been trying this for a week, and honestly, I didn't expect it to be this good. The sound? Clean. The battery? Lasted longer than my patience. And the setup took like 30 seconds. My favorite part is the size.
Hey, it's Maya. If your skin feels tired or thirsty, I've got something you need to try. This is the Hydro Shield Serum. It locks in moisture, calms down redness, and leaves my face looking fresh all day.
Turn it up, play it loud, we gon' light the whole town. Step with the rhythm, feel it in your soul now. Nothing got you no line, neon to go, let's go. Boom, boom, under the neon sky.
All those amazing UGC ads are created by myself and Sora 2 AI in seconds. And today I'm going to show you how to get your prompt and how to create these ads. And I'll also tell you 4 ways to use these methods to make money on the internet. I'm Coach Rich, and you're welcome.
Okay, first and foremost, to get your prompt, you want to head over to ChatGPT and tell it to give you a prompt. In this case, I have a picture on my phone of a car advert. I'm going to give that picture to ChatGPT and tell it to give me a similar ad. I'll ask ChatGPT to create a prompt for this particular car ad. As you can see, look at what ChatGPT actually gave me as a prompt. I noticed one thing. The exact image I gave to ChatGPT is what it actually gave me back. So ChatGPT just analyzed the image and returned the prompt. I'm going to ask for something simple like, give me my own prompt or take inspiration from this. I want something original and entirely new. The reason we do this is to avoid copyright infringement. You don't want anyone accusing you of imitating their style or stealing their work. Take inspiration from what's already working and tell ChatGPT to tailor it to what you want. Now, as you can see, this is a fresh prompt for me, only nobody will claim ownership of it. If ChatGPT gives you a perfect prompt for a video, the next step is to take the prompt. I'm going to copy it right here and head over to Sora 2 AI to turn this prompt into a video. There are many AI tools you can use, Higgsfield AI, LoveArt AI, and others with Sora. In today's video, I'm using the Sora 2 app itself by OpenAI. You can download it from your app store. This is the logo you should look for. When you open Sora 2 AI, I'll click on the Sora 2 app and then this icon here. We have several features. I'll start with parental control. This feature is useful if you have a child or sibling under 18 and want to monitor their content creation. Click Manage ChatGPT to add your email and monitor the prompts and videos they create. Next, you can allow other creators on Sora 2 to use your voice to release content. This is useful because it can increase audience engagement on your channel, which is important when you're just starting. The third feature I want to show is changing your username. I recommend using a username consistent with your social media handles so people recognize your brand. Now, I'll click the plus icon and paste my prompt. We have landscape and portrait options. For TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram, choose portrait. For YouTube longform, choose landscape. For this video, I'll select landscape and click the icon to generate my video. While we wait, check my dashboard. I've created a lot of content, and it's getting thousands of views across platforms. I'll explain later how to monetize this type of content. Once the video finishes downloading, I won't play it here because I'm screen recording. You can't play a video while screen recording. I'll click the icon and download the video.
Big friend, this one's just for you. A little mist, some taps, and silky brush strokes. Close your eyes if you want your savior. Good night.
I'll paste another prompt and repeat the process until I get the results I want. You can create up to 10 videos a day with Sora 2 AI. If you don't want to go through a long prompt process, you can just ask Sora 2 for a UGC ad video, like a female UGC video. I'll paste a small prompt and see what Sora 2 AI generates.
Hi, I'm Lila, and this is my glow secret. Dewdrop Serum keeps my skin hydrated for 72 hours, brightens with vitamin C, and it's super lightweight, never sticky. I just press a few drops in.
Now you know how to get your prompt and generate a video. How do you monetize this content? There are 4 ways. 1. AdSense. Apply for the YouTube Partner Program or TikTok Partner Program to earn from ads on your videos. 2. Brand deals. Posting content attracts brands. Niching down helps attract brands in your niche, while general AI content can attract AI companies promoting their tools. 3. Sell your account. You can sell your YouTube or TikTok channel if you ever stop creating content. 4. Teach others. You can teach people how to use Sora 2 or any AI tool to create online content that brings us to the end of today's video. Drop your questions in the comments, leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on notifications because I'll be dropping more amazing videos. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.